In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Life360 network error while using mobile data. First, start by resetting your connection. Enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and disable it. Then, you can toggle on your mobile data, wait for a few seconds, then toggle it off. This often helps clear temporary glitches causing the error. Next, make sure you have disabled low power mode. For that, launch settings. Go to the option battery, click on power mode, click on low power mode. Make sure you have disabled this option. Next, head back, navigate to the option general. Scroll down and head over to the option background app refresh. Make sure you have toggle on for the option Life360. This allows the app to update your location even when you are not actively using it. Next, head back. Scroll down and click on the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings and complete the process. And that's it. By following these steps, you will be able to fix Life360 network error on mobile data. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.